I didn't have one just at Fenton Park here. I've been down for a while. These gardens are nice. To be fair to the council, the parks are kept really nice in Stoke. I thought I'd get this one, 'cause I thought it's quite a nice garden, it's well maintained. Nice benches about. Yeah, it's really nice, really kept well. This is probably the last park I haven't really covered that much. I've done Longton Park and Fenton, Beersley, Tunstall. Just want to do a quick one here. I live pretty close to Fenton and from Longton myself. Beautiful day today. It's actually a really nice cemetery at the top. Love this time of year though, you can hear all the birds and all the nature. Really relaxing places, the parks away from the traffic. I'm guessing this is a bowling green. Or was. Yeah, it was. It's a shame that all the bowling greens here been left. It used to be a really big thing, bowling. You know, get your pensions out and get some exercise. But there's one still at Florence. There's one in Longton. That one's overgrown, and the one at Longton Park's been left to overgrow. Lovely places to come, you know, when you're a bit stressed out. It's good for the mind, the parks and the canals. Relaxing. Nice picnic benches dotted about. It's deceiving, this park. It's a lot bigger than you think when you first come through the gates. One of the 6 towns, Fenton. If you've never been, they've got a beautiful war memorial where the town hall is. Really nice, one of the best in the city, that. Yeah, I'll wrap it up there, so just coming up by the entrance. But thanks for watching, have a lovely weekend all of you. Take care.